Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're looking for a backpack that looks awesome, but is also super functional, you have found it here with this backpack from HYC00. This is in the gorgeous peacock blue color. I absolutely love it. My son uses this backpack, but I would be proud to use it as well. So what makes this an amazing choice is all of the storage compartments. There are so many different zippers and areas. The main area opens up completely. You can load up your clothes. You could easily do a long weekend with this backpack. The bottom has a spot to insert your shoes if you want to keep those separate. There's a zippered compartment that is waterproof. So if you have maybe shampoo and conditioner right out of the shower, they're still a little wet, you could easily put them in there, or even a swimsuit when you come back from the beach, that type of thing. There's a zip at the back, so this is great for your wallet or your phone or things that you want to keep closer to your person. It's very cushiony and comfortable. There's extra straps to ensure it's secure on your body. They thought of everything. A great bonus feature is that there's a charge port, so if you bring a power bank, you can charge right through your backpack. This is a really nice material. It's very wipeable. Every single thing is made so nicely. Even the zippers, they glide so beautifully. So if you're looking for a travel backpack or even for school, we personally love to take this as our personal item on the airplane. So if you're looking for similar, I think you'll be thrilled with this one, and that's my point of view.